Hello everyone. We are introducing a more powerful Einstein for Flow, now in beta, bringing a new level of accuracy to your automations. Create smarter record and schedule triggered flow that understand your business requirement. FlowGen V2 simplifies flow creation by breaking it into modular tasks using high-level components called DSL entities. By providing LLM with only specific structure needed for each subtask, it improves consistency and reduces errors. To demonstrate the significant improvement, let's compare the performance of older version against the new beta version using the same prompt. Left side is the previous version and right side we have the new beta version. Our first prompt is to create a duplicate case prevention flow. The flow must check the cases with the same subject and contact or account ID created within past 1 hour and delete the newly created duplicates. You can see the older version fails to apply the conditions correctly, which would lead to deletion of records, not just the duplicates. In contrast, the beta version precisely applies all the specified conditions, resulting in accurate, well-structured flow that functions as intended. Now, let's test a more complex prompt involving an opportunity. The flow must calculate a discount based on parent's account revenue, update the opportunity, and post an announcement to its charter feed. The earlier version struggles with this request. It fails to include the necessary decision element for the discount logic and produces a flow with numerous errors. Let's see the flow generated by the beta version. The newer version interprets the complex requirement flawlessly. It correctly checks the discount criteria, updates the opportunity, and posts to charter the correct charter message. It is a complete error-free flow ready for activation. Now you can build more powerful and accurate automations with significantly less effort. We encourage you to experience this enhancement firsthand by trying the beta version.